So fx is given as a to the power x upon root a plus root x. So we know that we can find the value of f of a minus x, 1 of 1 minus x. So what I'm getting from this is a to the power 1 minus x upon under root a plus a to the power 1 minus x. So f of 1 minus x is coming as root a upon this root a plus a to the power x. If I'll add fx plus f of 1 minus x, you can see this is coming as 1. A simple one. Means I have to start from 1 and go up to 2024. So how many terms are there? Total number of terms?
The total term 2024 है.
Right, 2024. So every time.
But इसमें से अगर 2 बार divide करोगे तो 1012 हो जाएगा.
Right. So I hope, how many of you are getting this? Very good, Aryan. Rishabh, very good. Katani, same, very good. And Sanjana, same. Utkarsh, very good. Anushka. Tanay. Zeel. Okay. Understand now? Understand this one now? Okay. Now directly I'm coming into the fifth one. F of x plus 1 by x is given as x square plus 1 by x square. You have to find value of f3 by 2. X belongs to real number. Right?
Sir, उसका आंसर 5 by 2 है ना?
Fifth one?
हाँ सर, एक मिनट. हाँ सर, 5 by 2.
Very good. Katani, the answer?
Yes, the same answer.
Same. Very good. Very good, Sanjana. Rishabh. Pratyush.
The function comes out to be x square minus 2.
Very good. Very good. Very good, everyone. Not bad. See. If you'll see, right, the problem with this question is your perception. If you'll see, you can rewrite this as x plus 1 by x is x plus 1 by x the whole square minus 2. So obviously, I have to put x plus 1 by x as t. So f of t is equals to t square minus 2. Is this okay? Now you have to put value of t, right? When you are putting t is equal to what? 3 by root 2.
सर अगर इसको और भी क्लोजली देखें तो 3 by root 2 is equal to root 2 plus 1 by root 2. तो उसमें भी हम लोग को x का root 2 भी आ जाता. तो root 2 का स्क्वायर प्लस 1 by root 2 का होल स्क्वायर, तो 2 plus 1 by 2.
Right. So if you'll see this value t square minus 2, so you can put the value to 9 by 2 minus 2 will be 5 by 2 something like this. No? But if you'll see, you are saying x plus 1 by x is t and x is a real number. So if x is a real number, so t must be either greater than equal to 2 or t must be less than equals to minus 2. This function is valid for only greater than equal to 2 or less than equal to minus 2. So 3 by root 2 is value greater than 2 or less than minus 2, or it's coming in between. 3 by root 2 is 3 upon 2 into root 2, right? 1.4142 by 2, right? So is this value coming as greater than 2 or not? right? That always you have to check this if the domain is satisfying or not, right? Without going for that, we can't put the values. I hope everyone is getting this. Okay. Right. The next one. Okay. So should and we know like and the fourth one. Again, I can go for the fourth one. How many of you have done this fourth one? Fx plus f of 1 by x is equal to x. Fx plus f of x upon 1 minus x is x. Then you have to find value of fx. Anyone? Anyone on this?
सर आप 1 मिनट दे सकते हो?
यस बेटा ले लीजिए, बट ये होमवर्क को प्लीज कोशिश करें होमवर्क में ही करके रखने का। उत्कर्ष, अनुष्का, तनय, झील, ऋषित, प्रत्युष। Go ahead, Kavyam. Very good. Go ahead. Go ahead. Just cyclicity you have to use, right? To do the cyclicity. Okay, you all have to try. Now try this question. Then the next one we will discuss, right? But please, from next time now, just you have to try as a homework, right? Now, see the next, right? So now I'm proceeding for that. Now today we are going to see two types of question on the functional equation. First is the polynomial form, and second is when we have to solve the function in the form of the continuous one, right? The basic of both this, right? The first question. If I'm saying ki fx is the polynomial of degree 3 with leading coefficient 1 and f of 1 is equal to 1, f of 2 is equal to 4, f of 3 is equal to 9, right? Find f of 1, F1 is 1, F2 is 4, F3 is 9, F5 की value you have to find, right? And it's given that leading coefficient is 1. What is the meaning of leading coefficient?
तो मतलब कि जो हाईएस्ट डिग्री है उसका कोएफिशिएंट 1 है.
Very good. You want to try or मैं एक बार start कर दूं? Like you all?
ट्राई करना.
Right?
ट्राई कर.
Okay, okay. Suraj, switch on your camera, beta. Anushka, camera. Sanjana, Pratyush, Zeel, Risit, camera, beta.
सर पॉलिनोमियल की डिग्री क्या है?
3. 3-degree polynomial, cubic है बेटा.
तो मैंने आंसर भेज दिया.
Very good, very good. Aryan, Risit, very good. Answer different है दोनों लोगों के, but फिर भी, let's see. This is the concept, right? ये concept के लिए I'm giving this question, right? Through this we'll build the concept. Through this only we have to proceed for the questions, right? So I hope everyone will be comfortable after this, right? It's a polynomial. So we know that fx is a polynomial. So fx is equals to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. The coefficient of x cube is 1. So this is nothing but x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Right? Or I can say that this in the factor form, this will be x minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma. Is this okay, everyone? And this is given as fx. And f1, the value of f1 means 1 plus b plus c plus d is 1, f2 is 8 plus 4b plus 2c plus d is equal to 4. And f3 is 27 plus 9b plus 3c plus d is equal to 9. Right now, how many equations I have? 1, 2, and 3. How many unknowns I have? We have B, C, and D, 3 unknowns. So number of equations are 3 and number of unknowns are 3. So we know how to solve this thing. Right. So ये दोनों को like you can subtract first 2 and then D will be cancel out, then second and third again you can cancel out D, then B and C you have to find. But this is okay when we are going for 3-degree, the cubic equation. But 100% we know that if we are going for more than 3-degree, so obviously that will not work, right? Or the calculation will be very, 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 very lengthy. That will be difficult, right? So how we can solve this, right? See. So what we can say, okay, f1 minus 1 square is 0, f2 minus 2 square is 0, and f3 minus 3 square is 0. So just I'm giving this name as G1, and let this is G2, and let this is G2. From these 3 equations, can I say this? Okay, the function gx having, right, gx is nothing but fx minus x square. We are assuming this, and this will be 0 at this will be 0 at x is equal to 1 or 2 or 3. Is this okay? Is this okay? Katani, is this okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
Utkars, Sanjana,
Yes, sir.
Ka. Okay, everyone. Aryan.
Yes, sir.
Now, so can we say this ki gx is equal to 0 at 1, 2, and 3, but since the gx is the polynomial and leading coefficient is 1, leading coefficient is 1 means, right, coefficient of x cube will be 1, right, as it is given in the question, right? It was 1, right? So can I say this gx is 0 at 1, 2, and 3? So this will be 1 into x minus 1, x minus 2, and x minus 3. Right, since this is the polynomial. So gx I can write as fx minus x square is x minus 1, x minus 2, and x minus 3. So fx is nothing but x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 plus x square. See,
मेरा अलग आया.
see, you are able to find the polynomial from this, right? Now, if I'm able
मैं
to
अपना
find
आंसर
the
चेंज करूँ.
polynomial, then we are able to find the values too. So now I have to find value of what? F5. So this will be 5 minus 1, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 3 plus 5 square. 24 plus 25 is 49. Very good, everyone.
मेरा 109 आ रहा है, लेकिन मेरा अलग इक्वेशन आ रहा है, लेकिन F1 F2 F3 सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है.
गलत हुआ
उसमें
होगा,
मेरा F5 109 आ रहा है.
गलत हुआ होगा बेटा कहीं पे. यूनिक है ना, यूनिकनेस है, पॉलिनोमियल है. Is this okay, everyone? The key point on this question, we can say the key point is you have to find a function gx that will satisfy fx minus of or fx plus or something you have to adjust, right? Then you'll be able to get the value. So this is a very good arrangement, right? This is a very good arrangement. So please, carefully you have to take this exactly how this is working. Okay. Anyone? Sanjana, want to ask anything?
No, sir.
Utkarsh,
No, sir.
Anushka, Zeel. Okay. See. So in the same question I'm giving you, fx is the polynomial of degree 5 with leading coefficient 1. f1 is equal to 1.
F2 is equal to 4, F3 is 5 and 9.
f3 is equal to 3 cube. हाँ, जरूरी थोड़ी है, आई दूंगा. हाँ, तो 5 is 5.
बोला सेम क्वेश्चन बट थोड़ा सा अल्टरेशन, इसीलिए सोच रहा था.
Find f of 6. Do it fast. Solve it, solve it. Very good, Kavyan. Very good, Rishabh. Reset.
सर इसको हम वो इक्वेशन वाले मेथड से भी कर सकते हैं ना?
कौन सा इक्वेशन बेटा?
मतलब सर 4 इक्वेशन फॉर्म करके.
हाँ, कर सकते हैं. 4 नहीं, 5 बनेंगे ना?
यस सर.
5 को सॉल्व करने में थोड़ा अधिक टाइम जाएगा. अभी तक 5 लोगों के आंसर आ गए. नो प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम. टेक योर टाइम संजना. नो प्रॉब्लम. पतानी होना है ये क्वेश्चन बेटा. अनुष्का. उत्कर्ष, आर्यन,
सर शायद होगा।
एकदम शायद नहीं, 100% होगा।
सर मुझे वे मिल रहा है इसीलिए बोला पॉजिटिव
एकदम
पॉजिटिव।
जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन किया वैसा ही है, केवल नंबर चेंज किया हूं बस।
सर पावर 50
वेरी
है,
गुड
5 है।
5 है बेटा, लीडिंग कोएफिशिएंट 5, डिग्री 5, लीडिंग कोएफिशिएंट 1, डिग्री 5। लास्ट क्वेश्चन से रिलेट करोगे आराम से आएगा। प्रत्युष वेरी गुड।
सर कुछ अजीब सा आंसर।
क्या आया? नहीं नहीं नहीं, कुछ फंक्शन पहले बना ना, फंक्शन जो बनाया था लास्ट टाइम ना वैसे ही कुछ फंक्शन बनेगा। फंक्शन बनते
सर भेजा।
कैलकुलेशन चेक करो बेटा, कैलकुलेशन चेक। सी, मैं करूं?
सर हो गया, मैं अपना आंसर भेज रहा हूँ।
संजना डन।
सर मैंने भेज दिया।
आर्यन वेरी गुड, सही है बेटा। उसका कैलकुलेशन चेक करो। संजना, you have not to solve 5 equation बच्चा, right? See ना, we are not solving 5 equation, just we are writing कि this is the function, right? Only you have to write down this function, right? When I'm able to write down this function now, so this will be 0 at 1, 2, and 3. Then you can frame this gx and now fx is formed. That's it. Very good, Utkarsh. Right? Now only you have to form the equation. So with the same logic, can I say this? Right, with the same logic, can I say this? Ki fx minus x cube is nothing but x minus 1, x minus 2,
x
x
minus
minus
3, x minus
3,
4, x minus
x
5।
minus 4, and x minus 5. So fx is nothing but x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5 plus x cube. Right, and leading coefficient 1, so this is 1 only. Now, what you have to find? F of 6. So 6 is factorial 5 plus 6 cube. What is the value of factorial 5? What is the value of factorial 5?
सर 120।
20।
Right, so the
120
simple
plus
calculation,
260,
something like this. Right? Very good.
336।
Very good. बहुत अच्छे. Shreyaj, is this okay? Shreyaj, is this okay? Katani, is this okay? क्या किया था? What
सर
was?
x-1 और 2 की जगह उनका क्यूब ले लिया था, x-8 एंड सो।
Oh, oh, oh.
सर मैंने एक्स क्यूब को ट्रांसपोज नहीं किया उस साइड पे।
Oh, oh. So all you understand ना? चलो, तो it's okay ना कि एक one more question or it's okay?
सर और एक क्वेश्चन।
One more question will be in a different form, right? Different formation of this. One more, right? But this is not the same question, right? In the same logic, but something you have to use it, right? Something, a little bit you have to use. fx is a polynomial. Fx is a polynomial of degree n. Polynomial degree n with leading coefficient इस बार नहीं दिया हुआ है, right? fx is a polynomial of degree n, right? Leading coefficient is not given in this case, right? f0 is 0, f1 is 1 by 2, f2 is 2 by 3, up to fn is n by n plus 1. Then find f of n plus 1. इसकी वैल्यू. Question is okay, everyone? Right, this time leading coefficient is not given. You have to find the leading coefficient 2.
सर लीडिंग क्वेश्चन भी बताना है क्या?
हाँ, सब कुछ आ जाएगा बेटा अपने आप। ओके,
तो भेज दिया।
very good, Aryan. Sanjana, a bit more you have to do. Take your time. No, Sraj. Take your time, take your time. May I? May I start?
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay. You have to find fn plus 1. Now, the leading coefficient is not given in this question. So, not the numerical value, the answer will be in terms of n only, right? But the leading coefficient will play an important role in this question. No, 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 no.
सर मेरा सही आ रहा है।
According to that one, na, n plus 1 by n plus 2, na, very good reserve. Almost सही है बेटा आपका, बस थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन का ये है, उतना चलता है, धीरे धीरे यू विल अंडरस्टैंड।
सर लीडिंग कोएफिशिएंट में गलती किया या फिर डिवीजन में, एक्स्ट्रा डिवीजन?
नहीं लग रहा तो ठीक है, ऑलमोस्ट आई गेस वो लिखने में थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे जैसा लगता है, बट मेरे को लग रहा है आंसर करेक्ट होना चाहिए आई गेस। देखता हूँ।
ठीक।
लेट्स स्टार्ट सी। ये थोड़ा सा मैंने क्वेश्चन को लाइक अ लिटिल बिट चेंज इन दिस क्वेश्चन। द polynomial of degree n and leading coefficient is given, so you can see this this is given, right? So from this I can say this is fn is equal to n by n plus 1, right? Or I can rewrite this as n plus 1 into fn is equal to n, or I can rewrite as n plus 1 into fn minus n is equal to 0. So now this is looking like, okay, something is there that we can assume that this is coming as something is equal to 0. So from this observation, I'm saying let gx is equal to x plus 1 into fx minus x. right, is equal to 0 is the polynomial. Is this okay? Is this okay? Now, can you see this? This x is equal to 0, right? G0 will be 0 because this will be 0. So f 0 minus 0 will be 0. X is equal to 1, G1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2, G2 is equal to 0. Right? Similarly, x is equal to n, Gn is equal to 0. How many roots are there? How many values are there that satisfying the polynomial
Plus
G?
one.
N plus 1.
Very good. N plus 1 means Gx having n plus 1 roots, but we don't have any idea of about the leading coefficient. So can I say this Gx is nothing but lambda time x minus 0. This is x minus 1. The roots of zeros means x minus 0, x minus 1, x minus 2 up to x minus n. Is this okay? Is this okay, everyone? Aryan, Shreyaj,
यस सर मैंने वही किया था.
Anushka, Utkarsh,
तो मैं वही कर रहा हूँ.
आवाज नहीं आ रही झील. Sorry, not audible. Write down in chat. Write down in chat. Is this okay now? Gx, yes. See, this was Fn is equal to, for any n, Fn was given as Fn is equal to n by n plus 1. So now what I am saying, if I'll rewrite this to n plus 1 into Fn is equal to n, or n plus 1 into Fn minus n is equal to 0. So why I'm writing in this form? Now, the important part, why I'm writing this form, sir, like why you are not writing Fn minus n by n plus 1? See, if you are writing Fn is equal to n by n plus 1, so this Gx is not the polynomial. If I'll take a function as Gx is equals to fx minus x by x plus 1, this is okay, but this is not the polynomial one. So we have not to take this as a function. So what we have done in this, like I have multiplied this by x plus 1, then fx minus x. So I can say x plus 1 into fx, fx is the polynomial, and now I'm multiplying this fx with x plus 1. So 100% this complete number will be the polynomial. And this is polynomial, and minus x is again a polynomial. So I can say this complete thing is polynomial, and fx is the polynomial of degree n. One more x I am multiplying to this. Fx was the polynomial, and one more x plus 1 I am multiplying into this. So complete this number is coming as the polynomial of degree yeah. What is the degree of gx?
N plus 1.
N plus 1, right? So degree of gx is n plus 1 means this gx must have n plus 1 roots. See this? At 0, this is 0. At 1, this is 0. At 2, this is 0. At 3, this is 0. At 4, this is 0. At n, this is 0. I have started with 0 and going up to n. Started with 0 and going up to n means total number of roots in this case will be n plus 1. But still I have one problem, one doubt, and this problem is the lambda, right? Lambda is a big problem. So what we said, okay, we are not able, right? This is written, and this gx is nothing but x plus 1 into fx minus x is equal to lambda times x, x minus 1 up to x minus n, right? This is given. Up to this, everyone is okay with this. Is this okay, everyone? Zeel, is this okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
Sanjana, is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Shreyaj, okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
Satyus, Aryan, Anushka, Okay, everyone. Now, but a big but is what? Right? Big question is what? We have to find value of lambda. How to find value of lambda? Right? It's a very good, I guess, the work Rishabh has done. Right? You have to put what? X is equal to what? X is equal to -1. When we'll put x is equal to -1, this will be 0. 0 into this will be 0. Minus plus 1 is equal to lambda. -1 is coming from each and every number. So this is n plus 1. And every number is 1 into 2 into 3 up to n plus 1. So this lambda is nothing but -1 to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 factorial. Okay, this -1 to the power n plus 1 is coming in the denominator, but you'll multiply with -1 to the power n plus 1 in the numerator and denominator. So you are getting same lambda. So this, I can say gx or fx, x plus 1 into fx minus x is equal to -1 to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 factorial into x minus 1 up to x minus n. I hope everyone is getting it. This was not simple. Right, this is a very good question, right? At least what we have done in this segment now, like it's always a chance you look at a question from this segment. Always a chance. But we have to just think exactly how the function we have to make. Like fx minus x square, fx minus x cube, or something like that, x plus 1 into fx minus x. Right. Okay, everyone. Right, in the polynomials now. Okay. Done, Sanjana?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now if I'm proposing one more on this, right? One more question on this. If I'm giving you, careful everyone, x minus 16 into f of 2x is equal to 16 x minus 1 into fx. If fx is the polynomial, again, it is given, fx is the polynomial, then find fx. Fx. So may I start, or you all want to just try to?
Try one
Just
time.
few minutes.
Okay. Our degree is not given in this case, beta. So just we have to be careful, like maybe we have to first find the degree of this. A very good question, right? This is a very good question. What we have to do for the degree, right? So first we have to find what could be the possible degree of this question. Then only we'll be able to fix the answer.
Sir, it
Right.
has to be more than 3.
Just take your time, everyone. Take your time. Take your time. The theme of the question is that only, right? Just we have to think. Not bad, Katani. थोड़ा सा और बेटा, because it has to be 0 with some values.
सर
सर
उसी
मुझे 2 to the power n में सारे zeros आ रहे हैं
2 to the power n पे
सर। हाँ, F20, F40, F80, F16 है
very
वगैरह।
good, very good. Think on this.
तुमने क्या क्या कवर किया?
हमने बेटा बहुत छोटी छोटी बातें हैं पॉलिनोमियल्स के लिए जब हमने वर्क किया था, राइट, इस पर। Now you can connect from this, right? You can connect from this, right? This is the question. This is the question. Just a minute. Yeah. X minus 16 into f of 2x is equal to 16 times x minus 1 into fx, right? Find polynomial fx. Done.
Sir, just a minute.
Only 16. Aryan, degree we have to fix somehow. Very good, beta. Na, your observation is very good, but somehow we have to fix our degree, right? Kavyam, just see the degree is, I guess, not bad. Aryan, you have reached to the last of this, right? Just you have to conclude this. Just you have to conclude
हाँ
this.
सर, मुझे लग रहा है कुछ मिसिंग है, इसीलिए कुछ तो हो जाएगा।
Very good, Rishabh. Now you have degree, na? Now you have degree, so now you have to think exactly where you are getting something, right? Something like where it could be 0. At what point it will be 0, right? What are the points where getting the
सर वो 2 की पावर n तो आ गया, but paradoxically it is like if I put 32 also, then also it will come 0.
Let's repeat this now. Right? Take your time. Take your time. What is it? Not bad. Very good. Now use this concept for the roots. Sivang, done. Have you got the root, beta? Very good. Very good. Go ahead. Go ahead. May I start? Katyani? Aryan, very good. Very good. And very good logic. Beautiful. Aryan, very good, beta.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now you have to fix how many roots are there, right? Degree you have to fix. Degree you have to fix, and very simple, right? You'll like you'll be surprised कि okay ये तो आना ही था ये क्यों नहीं आया? Receive. Connecting this question, beta. नहीं?
A little bit.
Okay. See. Sanjana.
सर 2
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Getting something?
Sir, I'm still getting something.
Or the number of roots? Are you getting number of roots on this? Or the degree? Very good. And where this will be 0? What are the points where the function will be 0? Right? Something we have to find. Huh? Like directly you can see if you are putting x is equal to 1, right? Both sides, if you put x is equal to 1 minus 16 into f of 2 is equal to 16 into 0 into f1. So this complete value is 0. This is not 0. So f2 is equal to 0. Right. If f2 is equal to 0, we know that if I'll put 2, then this f4 is equal to 0. If f4 is 0, then
F8 is 0 and
Yes.
F16 is 0.
and f16 you can see that is given as 0. But we are not sure about 32, right? Now, and later on we'll see this, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, this is 0. Now, what is the degree of this polynomial that we have to find, right? This
Four.
is 4, not bad. How you are getting 4, beta?
सर बिकॉज हम लोग को 4 पॉइंट्स में हम लोग को 0 मिल रहा है.
9.
हाँ.
Maybe.
और points हो सकता है ना?
Further
हाँ,
on we
वो
can
भी है.
also let's see. Then for this now we have to assume let this polynomial is nothing but a, very good, very good. This fx is nothing but a naught x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 up to a. Right? This is the normal general polynomial, right? If I'm multiplying with 2x, right? Oh, sorry, I'm taking a function of 2x. So this is a naught 2x to the power n plus a1 2x to the power n minus 1 and so on up to n, right? And this f of 2x is multiplied with x minus 16, and this fx is fx only, and this is multiplying with x minus 1 with 16 and x minus 1 with 16. We know that the two functions are equal when the coefficient of each and every term will be equal, right? So only I'm equating the highest degree of this, right? If that will be 0, then we have to go for the lower degrees, right? So what is the highest degree in this? So this will be multiplying with x only. And in this case, this will be multiplying with x only. So from both this, I can say, right? From both this, I can say this is nothing but 16 into x to the power n plus 1, a naught into, right? And here again, a naught into 2 to the power n into x to the power n plus 1. Is this okay? But a naught is not equal to 0, so I can cancel out. X is not equal to 0, so I can cancel out. So what I'm getting, 2 to the power n is equal to 16 only, and that's nothing but 2 to the power 4, so n is equal to 4 only. So this must be, right, this we are getting 2, 4, 0, and degree is 4, right? Okay. Right, so always satisfying with the value. So this is x minus 2, x minus 4, x minus 6, x minus 8, x minus 16 lambda. if this value of lambda is 1, huh?
It's not mentioned that the
So
heat
lambda
integration
times
will
of
what?
this will be the equation,
ये
na?
बना सकते हैं
So this will be the equation only, right?
Sir, lambda has to be, I believe, 1 because if it is 2x and it is x, to equate them, 2 की power 4 आ जाएगी ना. तो अगर lambda कुछ और है तो 2 की power 4 equate क्या कर पाएंगे?
नॉट ए नॉट तो है मेरे पास ना, ए नॉट को मैंने कैंसिल किया है.
अच्छा सर, ठीक
Saying a naught is not equal to 0, but a naught could be anything except 0.
है. Yes sir.
Huh? So a naught could be anything. So answer could be lambda times of this. Is this okay? Katani, is this okay? Good one ना. अब बहुत सारी चीज इसमें आ गए. Is this okay बेटा? Getting this?
Second
Yes.
part,
Please.
second
Yeah.
part में सर 2 raised to n वाला part कैसा है आपका?
2 raised to n. See, we have assumed that the function fx, right? In this case, we have assumed that function fx is a naught x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 and so on, right? In this, I have to put in place of x, I have to put 2x. So,
Got it, sir.
so from that, I'm getting this. Okay. Right now, this is one of the famous, right? Famous question. Every time you will get this, right? Like in many of the examination, you can find this fx plus f of 1 by x is equal to fx into f of 1 by x. Fx is the polynomial leading coefficient is not given, and f of 5 is given as minus 124. Find f of 10. And fx is the polynomial. Very good, very good. Very good, Kavyam, Rasid, very good. May I?
So 1 minute.
Okay. See, this is the fixed question, fixed method. Okay, take your time, Sanjana, take your time. But this is like one time you have to know, you will remember always. Right, this is one of the simplest form. It's a polynomial, right? So I don't know, like how we can go. Sanjana, just see this now. But like you'll go with a very simple question, right? I can rewrite this as fx into f of 1 by x minus fx minus f of 1 by x, right? Plus 1 is equal to plus 1. Is this okay? Is this okay, everyone? Can I rewrite the question in this way? Okay, always. So this is nothing but fx minus 1 into f of 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1. Right? If fx is a polynomial, so fx minus 1 is also a polynomial. I'm assuming this as gx. If this is gx, 100% this will be g of 1 by x is equal to 1. The gx into g of 1 by x is equal to 1. This is possible only if gx is the polynomial with this. Otherwise, both will not cancel out each other. So only one term this will contain, then it's possible that gx and g1 by x will cancel out each other, right? Means gx is equal to plus or minus x to the power n. So fx minus 1 is equal to plus or minus x to the power n, or fx is equals to plus or minus x to the power n plus 1. But we know that some value was given now, f5 was minus 124. So if I'll compare this with f5 minus 124, this is minus 5 to the power n is equal to minus 125. So n is equal to 3, and that will contain the minus sign. So fx is a function minus x cube plus 1. Then you can find any of them. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Simple, na? Right? Done. So this is about the polynomials, but obviously when Cauchy will study Cauchy, then many more equations will come on this, right? But this is right some set of question for polynomials, right? Okay, everyone, right? Now, see, we have done the polynomial one, we have done the equation one, we have done the periodicity one, we have done the even and odd, right? Now we have to mix something, right? So I'm framing a question on this, right? Beautiful question. So please careful, right? We'll do 3 questions on this, right? So careful, right? And you'll understand exactly how to use the concepts. Fx plus 3 by 2 plus f of x is equal to f of x plus 1 plus f of x plus half. In this case, I'm giving x belongs to the real number and mod of fx is less than equal to 2, then prove that fx is equal to f of x plus 1. something like this. Like I can give you fx is equal to x plus 1, right? Fx is equal to x plus 2, or f1 is something 5, right? Then you have to find value of summation of f1, f2, f3, f4, f2, f100. Like you can understand, like a lot many question I can frame on this, right? The simplest thing, what I'm giving, like fx is periodic function, this will repeat itself, right? That you have to prove. But when you'll get the question in any of the examination, IOQM, RMO, or other examination, AMC or AIME, right? They will ask the question in that way, okay, this is given the information then, and between 1 to 1,000, how many values of X you are getting, right? Or something like that. So I hope you all are understanding. So only we are going for the theme of the question, exactly how to think, how to crack this. So you require time, or may I start this?
So give us some time.
Okay. You have 4 minutes for these questions. Okay? Sure. Let's start. Let's start. No problem. 4 minutes.
So done.
मैं कुछ हिंट दूं?
Sir, just a minute.
Okay. From this point now, we have to make the concept very strong concepts, right? So please ready for that, now everyone ready for that. Done, Kasib. Anushka, Pratyush, Shivang. Kavyam. See, from the given, right, equation, that's what it is given, right? What we can say from this? We can say like this is f of x plus 3/2 minus f of x plus half is equal to f of x plus 1 minus of fx. So for each and every, right, each and every values, this is true. Now, very good, right? This is true. For x belongs to real, this is true. So can I say this is some, right, always equal? So this is coming as some constant as a lambda, right? So always for every value, this will be equal. So from this, I'm assuming the fx plus 1 minus fx, right, is in the mod is equal to some lambda mod. And it is given that fx is in the mod is less than equal to 2. This is the key point. In functional equation, right? Always you have to see the domain, codomain, right? That is always the key point, right? If we are able to understand those key points now, means we are able to crack the question. But this is not given, Sanjana, कि this is the polynomial. Nahin? So if fx is given in this way, so can I write this fx lying between -2 to +2? The what I can say for f of x plus 1 minus fx is in, right, where this value will lie. What is the minimum value of this and maximum?
The minimum value is -2 and maximum is 2.
Minimum value is?
नहीं, minimum value हो जाएगा इसका 0.
0. Okay.
And maximum भी 0 ही होगा. नहीं, minimum value is, एक minute sir.
Okay, do one thing.
Minimum value -4, maximum value 0.
Okay, do one thing. Now, everyone, please write down in chat. Just we have rearranged this fx in this form. So for each and every values of x with a difference of 1, if you'll see now, this is x plus half plus 1/2, x plus 1/2, right? If I'm saying this is x plus 1, this capital X is x plus 1, this is x, right? So again, I'm getting the same value. So for each and every value, this is same. So I'm saying, okay, this is always constant. That's the reason we are getting, right? For x belongs to R, we are getting the same values. Like, I got only 3 responses. Everyone write down, what is the minimum and maximum value of this? Minimum and maximum value of this. Minimum and maximum value. This is a very simple point, right? 4, 5. Very good, very good, very good. Everyone, write down, write down, write down. That's important. Everyone, write down, write down. कुछ लोगों का बचा है. Katani, write down, beta. Sanjana, Prayaj, write down, write down. Minimum and maximum both. Kavyam, Zeel, Satyus, Sivang. Very good, Rishabh. Very good, Kavyam. See, fx plus 1, the minimum value is -2. So I can say this will take the minimum value, then this will be minimum and this will be maximum. So this will be -4. And maximum value, then when this will be maximum and this will be minimum, that is 4. So this value is coming between -4 to +4, right? So can I say this ki mod of x plus 1 minus fx is equal to lambda this value? Is this okay? Okay, everyone. Very good, Utkarsh. Now, if I'll go for fx plus 1 minus fx is equal to lambda fx plus 2 minus fx plus 1 is equal to lambda up to fx plus n minus fx plus n minus 1 is equal to lambda. If we'll add all the terms, right? See, this is very important point, what you are getting there, right? Everything will be cancelled out. This is f of x plus n. This is f of x plus n minus of fx is equal to n lambda. Taking mod both sides. I'm saying I'm done, right? Now I'm getting the things. I'm saying let's suppose n is very, very, very large and this is going to infinity, right? If this is going to infinity, a very large number, this is going to infinity, right? So this term.
सर एक मिनट सर
Yes.
इसमें अगर n1 है तो ऑलरेडी हो तो गया ना
Just a minute.
n1 डाला तो अच्छा
Just
नहीं वो 1 लैम्बडा है
वो तो 1 के लिए तो पहले ही हमारे पास it was given that we have taken as lambda, we have to prove lambda is equal to 0. Then only get na.
Yeah.
Right? So what I'm saying ki if n is very, very, very large, so this value for any value of lambda, any smallest value of lambda, this value will be very large and that will be tending to infinity. But we have seen that f of x plus n minus fxn is in the mod. This value always lies between -4 to +4. So this will give you the finite value. And this is giving you the infinite value. How could we manage this? Ki both the side will give you the finite value. How could it's possible?
Lambda is equal to 0.
Very good. So lambda must be equal to 0. Why I'm taking this as n is tending towards infinity? Why I'm giving this key n is very, 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 very large? Anyone? Why I'm taking the case that n is very, 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 very large number? Because I want to establish the relation between a finite term and an infinite term. But I know that the finite term is bounded between -4 to +4. But the n lambda, if n is like sufficiently large number, I'm not able to bound that n lambda. So if it has to bound, right, that's possible only if, when lambda is equal to 0. And if lambda is equal to 0, so I can say every time this will be 0, so f of x plus 1 is equal to f of x. Is this okay? See this carefully, right? Like main is the last and second last sets. right? How I'm managing to get the relation from this. Okay, everyone. You can say we are checking this as this is finite or infinite, or we are just, we want to bound this for finite value. That's the reason we are just trying key, okay, if n will be sufficiently large number, right, we are not able to bound this function, the right side function, but left side is always bounded function. So bounded and unbounded both are equal is not possible. So we have to take like lambda as 0, then only I can go for. Okay. Is this okay, everyone? Is this okay, everyone? Any point where I have to explain more? Clear? Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Right. Done, everyone? See the next one. The
सर
next, yes.
सर आप एक बार वो कैंसलिंग कैसे किया था फिर से एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर सकते
Cancel
कैंसिल एंडिंग में क्या किए थे
means beta where
सर आफ्टर वी हैड स्टार्टेड कैंसलिंग as it went towards infinity why did we take it to the zero lambda zero
see we have seen now that this value fn plus 1 minus fn or any of two values fn plus 1 minus fn or fn x plus n minus fx always lies between -4 to +4. So this left side is finite value always lies between -4 to +4, right? But right side, if I'm saying ki n is very, very, very large, so we are not able to bound that function. So mathematically, this will be wrong.
sir range is not working out
Yes. So mathematically, that will be wrong, right? So how we have to manage this? Ki both will be equal.
by equating them to zero
The right side will be equating to 0. Okay.
thank you
Fx minus twice of f of. Okay, let's see. Like I'll go with the simpler one first. Just one of the example I'm giving. F of x is equals to f of x by 2. Find all or some function f with property fx is equal to f of x by 2 when x belongs to the real number. Right? That this will give you the like hint key exactly how to proceed for different questions, right? Very good, very good.
could you repeat ढूंढना क्या है?
Function बेटा.
fx ढूंढना है.
और गिवन है, ये जो गिवन है आपको सामने है आपके. Done. Very good research. Very good, Kavyam. Can you explain this? How you are getting this? Anyone? Should we proceed? Done, everyone?
सर मैं आंसर लिख रहा हूँ.
Okay. You have taken this as polynomial,
Yes sir.
but it's going to R, infinity. So,
infinity को जा रहा है.
the maybe are difficult to maintain the degree of the polynomial, right?
तो फिर सारा 0 हो जाएगा क्योंकि x माइनस इंफिनिटी भी
हाँ,
होगा.
वो प्रॉब्लम करेगा ना. See, if it is given the polynomial equation, this is a polynomial, then only we should take the polynomial. Otherwise, in functional equation, we have not to take the polynomials. In this, what we can do, it is not given, so we must not take this as polynomial, right? We can put in place of x, you can put x by 2. So this is x by 2 square. Then you can put x by 2 cube, and so on, f x by 2 to the power n. And again, I'm saying this n is very, 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 very large. Right? If n is very large, so this will be nothing but 0. Right? So fx is equal to f of 0. If it is leaking, this is one of the function. Maybe possible we'll get another functions too on this. Right? Maybe possible we get another functions too, but I want to show you exactly how to work on this, right? Why I want to show you this? Because I want to give you this question. This is one of the famous question right? Find fx x less than 1 or mod x less than equal to 1. Take your
सर ये
time.
x by y है या x by 4?
2 है बेटा और बाद में 4 है.
Okay,
fx minus 2 into f of x by 2 plus f of x by 4 is equal to x square. Take your time, everyone. This is very simple question. What I have done, मैंने दो क्वेश्चन जो पहले दिए थे उन दोनों को मैंने मिक्स कर दिया है and now I have framed a new question, right? Now you have to just think कि which two were there, right? Yeah, I have mixed two questions and just given you the one question. Take your time. You have 5 minutes for this question.
सर आप रिपीट कर सकते हो, इसमें फाइंड क्या करना है?
Function fx.
अच्छा,
X square not 0. You have to use the formula for GP. वाह, Risit, very good बेटा. Rishabh.
सर
हाँ.
सर यहाँ पे हम एफ ऑफ एक्स को एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस ये सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं क्या?
इसको क्या बेटा?
सर एफ ऑफ एक्स को एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी से सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं
क्यों
क्योंकि
ऐसा?
सर राइट में क्वाड्रेटिक है।
तो क्वाड्रेटिक है, सो
सर नहीं कर सकते क्या?
नहीं बोलो ना, डिस्कस करते हैं ना। नो प्रॉब्लम, व्हाई यू आर थिंकिंग यू हैव टू पुट दिस?
सर क्योंकि एक साइड क्वाड्रेटिक है तो हमें वैल्यूज निकालना रहेगा एक्स का ताकि हम एफ ऑफ एक्स निकाल सके।
क्वाड्रेटिक नहीं, वो एफएक्स की वैल्यू गिवन है, दैट्स इट।
अच्छा ओ।
उसके अलावा
सर
कुछ
मैंने एफ ऑफ एक्स को सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया।
नहीं, नहीं, वी कांट पुट दैट। नहीं, गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, वो तो कुछ मतलब ही नहीं बनेगा। डन, 3 4 बस। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। सी
सर
what?
1 मिनट और।
Okay, okay, take your time, बेटा, no worry. Receipt, not bad, very good. Aryan, Patani, receive, done beta. Anushka, Pratyush, Utkarsh. Okay, okay. Take your time, take your time, no worry. May I? Done everyone? Attempted? See, see. What I was saying, this is almost the same question. We can rewrite this as fx minus f of x by 2 minus of f of x by 2 minus f of x by 4 is equal to x square. Suppose this is gx minus g of x by 2 is equal to x square. Suppose this is gx and this is, then 100% this will be gx by 2. Is this okay? Is this okay, everyone? Are you getting this? Now what we'll do, what we have to do, how you'll get the value. So in place of x, put x by 2. Then again in place of x, put x by 2 square. Right. Right. And this will go up to infinity. right? If I'll add each and every term, then everything will be cancelling out, right? First and last term, the same question, almost the same question, right? First and last term, think nothing, and g x by 2 to the power n is equal to x square, common out, 1 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 4 square plus 1 by 8 square up to infinity. This is the basic GP formula you have. Understood? Right? If n tends to infinity, so this will be G0. So Gx minus G0 is equal to x square 1 minus 1 by 4. That will be 4 by 3 x square. So Gx is equal to G0 plus 4 by 3 x square. But you have to find fx. Same operation you have to apply on this. Please see this carefully. Is this okay? Good one, na?
अराउंड G0 0 ही होगा probably.
Why? Why?
सर F0 0 आ रहा। नहीं वो तो कैंसिल हो रहा है, नहीं वी कांट से फॉर श्योर।
भावनाओं में बह जाता है। कि लग रहा है ऐसा तो होना ही चाहिए, सब क्वेश्चन में ऐसे ही होते हैं, सो दिस विल बी okay. So now, right? So this is almost the concept what we can use, how to explore the things, right? Right? So now, so as I was saying, like I want to do, right, 3 questions. See, this was the second one. Third question मैं बाद में करूंगा. Now, right? Now we are solving few questions, right? So first we'll go with the natural numbers, right? So please carefully, right? First question. So everyone ready now? Now you have to apply the concept of natural number what we have studied in last lecture, right? So see this carefully. Fx is 1 function from f n to n, right? Such that f of mn is equal to fm into fn, right? For all natural numbers mn. Find least value of f of 999.
सर आपने शायद ऐसा क्वेश्चन दिया है।
हाँ हाँ, अभी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे बेटा, वैसे ही लाइक डुएबल वाले जो क्वेश्चन, ये नहीं था बट इट दैट वाज डिफरेंट ना, थोड़ा सा चेंज था क्वेश्चन में, राइट?
सर दे दिया मैंने आंसर।
वेरी गुड. दोनों लोग चेक करना, आर्यन, उत्कर्ष, प्लीज चेक अगेन.
सर मैंने एक्सप्लेनेशन भी दी।
गलत लग रहा है बेटा. यस यस काव्य F0 और G0 दोनों ही वाले टर्म रहेंगे। Rishabh, it's a 1-1 function. So,
हाँ सर, इसलिए 2 की पावर 4 नहीं, इसलिए मैं 3 into 2 की पावर 4 3 लिखा सर।
ये IOQM के क्वेश्चंस, राइट?
हाँ, मैंने किया था वो वाला इसीलिए।
बेटा वो सारे गलत हो रहा है जो आपने किया है। क्या? और बहुत ध्यान, मतलब बहुत ही प्यारा गलती है। आपने गलती हो रही है आपकी ना, बहुत ही प्यारी सी गलती है वो, शायद वो एक्सप्लेन करना बनता है। फ्रैंकली मैं नहीं सोच रहा ये गलती हो सकती है, बट आपने जब लिखा तो मेरे को दिमाग में, हाँ ये गलती तो बहुत यूजुअल है जो हो सकती है और बहुत लोगों से हो सकती है। नो वरी, देखते हैं अभी। लास्ट 2 मिनट्स। डन। जीरो। Let's start. This is given. Yes, Kavyam, very good. So this is the function, 1-1 function. So we know that about the 1-1 function, if it is given 1-1, right? The function is given as A to B, right? Yeah, like you have to map these function in such a way कि for each and every values of set A you are getting the different values of Y, right? For each and every values you are getting different values of Y, right? So it is given Fmn is equal to M into N, right? So I can find F1 is equal to F1 square, but it's up to natural number, so F1 is 1 only, right? So what is F2? No, I don't have any idea. F2, F3 and so on. But I know कि F of 3 is F3 into F1. Right, so this is a unique value, F of 3 square, right? This is again giving you F of 9 into F1, right? Or F of 9 is F of 3 square is equal to F3 into F3. Right, so the value of F3 is 1 or 0, right? So if this is 9, so it's not possible. Maybe some another value this is taking, not 0 and not 1, right? And third value we have F of 27, right? So 999. So if I'll get the factor of 999, what number I'm getting? 9 into 3. 27, and rest of the number will be 37. Means 37 into 3 to the power 3. Right? 37 and 3 to the power 3. So how many values are possible?
तो 37 का 2 हो सकता है, 3 to the power 3 का ये 9 मिनिमम हो सकता है, क्योंकि F3 हो जाएगा 1, तो F9 हो जाएगा हम लोग का 3, F27 हो जाएगा 9 अगर मिनिमम लेते हैं तो दैट मीन 2 into 9 18.
F1 तो मेरे को 1 मिल गया है, राइट? अगर
F1
F1
1
मेरे
है.
को 1 मिल गया है तो मेरे पास अब दो ऑप्शन है, राइट? कि मेरे पास 37 and 3 ये दोनों को मुझे मैप करना है यहाँ के नेचुरल नंबर से, राइट? दिस इज ए, दिस इज बी, दिस इज 3 and this is 37, और भी डिफरेंट नंबर्स होंगे. 1 already taken the number 1, right? Now this 3 having two options, either this will go to 2 or this will go to 3, right? But what we required the minimum one. So if we have two options, one of the option F3 is 2 or and F37 is 3, and second option is F3 is 3 and F37 is 2.
बट इधर F3 अगर 3 है तो इसमें 27 में 27 होगा, F37 हो जाएगा 54, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 54 होगा. बट अगर हम लोग F3 को 2 लेते हैं, F37 को 3, तो 3 into 8 हो जाएगा 24, तो 24 is less than 54.
Right, so 2, 8 this value into 3. Right? 3 into 8, 24. I hope everyone is getting this only. यही मेथड कुछ किया होगा?
हाँ सर, रियल ले लेता.
Yes, yes. See this carefully. So this was a simple question, right? मतलब direct question you can say. F2.
तो लास्ट क्वेश्चन में था जो आपने ऐसा दिया था.
अच्छा. Okay. Done everyone? F1. See, it was given Mn is equal to F of Mn is equal to Fm into Fm. Mn are natural numbers, so let's put m is equal to n is equal to 1. So F1 is equal to F1 into F1 is F1 square. So either F1 is equal to 0 or 1, but 0 is not possible because only the mapping is natural numbers. So F1 is 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. And the second value? we can't take, na, this is coming. We can't take, na, this is coming from the equation only, na. We are getting the value of F1 is 1. Right? So we can't reject this like proposition key, right? F1 is 1 only. Okay. Right. So this is when we have to use our right basic of this, right? In the next lecture, we'll do the Cauchy of this, right? Cauchy theorem and the continuous, mainly on the continuous function and the natural number function when distinguish the function, how to get this thing, right? And moreover, like just you have to go through this thing, right? What we have done today, right? And again, I'm giving you the question, but please, 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 you have to make sure like you have to complete before the lecture only, right? If we have like, and possibly you have to send this before the lecture, then only I'll make the plan for you, na. First. Upon solve for x, like fx, you have to find fx. In this case, fx is polynomial. For the second case, no, not the first one. Fx. Xy belongs to R. Second, fx by x square for all x not equal to 0. Right? Prove that fx is equal to cx, where c is the constant. Right? This is one of the like natural number to natural number. F of fm plus fn is equal to m plus n. Find all function for mn belongs to natural number is given. Start. Done. Fifth, this is a good one, right? F of fx is equal to x square minus x plus 1. Find f0. That's a good one. That's
Sir,
it.
F0.
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 F0. Right? So only 5% are doable, right? I'm not giving you 50 questions, right? Only 5 questions. Every day you have to go for 1 or 2 questions, right? May be able to solve, may not be able to solve, but at least you have to try. Right? Then only you'll like just then only you'll be in the touch of that. Then you'll right see this key. Okay, like how to get the answer and how to connect the things. FX 999. Not